Something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie is happening right now, on your phone. In this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how you can outsmart these AI voice clone scams. We'll give you the tools you need to keep your family safe.
Just picture this. You get a WhatsApp audio message. You press play, and it's the voice of your child, your parent, your partner, and they sound terrified, absolutely desperate, pleading for help. Your first instinct, your only instinct, is to do whatever they say.
But you have to stop. Before you do anything, you have to ask this one critical question. Because in the world we're living in now, just hearing a voice, well, that's not always proof. Scammers are using artificial intelligence to create these incredibly realistic, high-pressure attacks. So, let's dive into the technology behind this frightening new reality. Now, this isn't that old, robotic-sounding text-to-speech you're used to. Oh no. We are talking about generative AI that can copy a human voice with, honestly, terrifying precision.
How much audio do you think a scammer needs to pull this off? An hour? 10 minutes? Try 3 seconds. That's it. Just 3 seconds of audio. Think about any video you've posted on social media, any voicemail you've left. That's all it takes for an AI to analyze the pitch, the rhythm, the tone of a voice, and then create brand new sentences that sound just like them. It's crazy how accessible this tech has become.
And where are these attacks usually happening? Right here, on apps like WhatsApp. So why there? Well, think about it. It's personal. It's immediate. And an audio message is the perfect way to deliver that short, sharp shock of panic right to you, creating this high-pressure bubble where it's almost impossible to think straight.
Okay, but here's the good news, and this is really important. As good as this technology is, it is not perfect. It has tells, it has flaws, and if you know what you're listening for, you can absolutely unmask the machine. We're about to go from a place of fear to a place of power.
So let's break it down. A real human voice, especially when someone's upset, it's messy, right? The pitch goes up and down, there are awkward pauses, background noises come and go. An AI clone, on the other hand, is often just a little too clean. You want to listen for a background hum that's strangely consistent, breathing that sounds kind of forced, or even a weird metallic sound on the voice.
All right, this is your audio detective checklist. Is that background noise just a flat, digital hum with no variation? Is the breathing pattern all wrong? When the voice gets high-pitched, does it sound tinny or clipped? And hey, what about their little quirks? Is your loved one's unique stutter missing? Are they not using their favorite slang words? If the whole thing just feels generic, trust your gut.
Knowing the tech side is one thing, but to really beat these scams, you have to get inside the psychological game they're playing. They're not just hacking a voice, they're trying to hack your brain.
This is their #1 weapon, urgency. Scammers create a crisis that's so immediate, so terrifying, that it kicks your brain into fight or flight mode. And when that happens, the logical, critical thinking part of your brain pretty much just shuts down. All you can feel is this overwhelming need to solve the problem right now.
And they almost always follow a very predictable 3-step playbook. First, they hit you with that wave of panic. Second, if you start asking questions like, wait, where are you? They'll brush you off saying there's no time. And third, every single thing they say just loops right back to that one urgent demand: send the money now. So how do you break the spell? It's so simple, it's brilliant. With this, you take a breath. You create a moment of silence. That deliberate pause is your secret weapon. It completely hijacks their script, it kills their momentum, and it gives your logical brain a split second to come back online. It is the single most powerful thing you can do. Okay, now let's talk about the ultimate defense. The one thing that no AI on the planet can replicate because it doesn't exist on any computer anywhere. It only exists in the minds of you and your loved ones.
We're talking about a distress code, a safe word, a secret phrase. It is so simple, totally low-tech, and incredibly effective. If someone calls you in a panic, claiming to be family, you just ask for the code. If they can't give it to you, you know it's a fake. End of story. And here's how you do it. First, pick something that's totally random and non-obvious. A scammer could never, ever guess it. Even better, make it a question about a shared memory that isn't posted online anywhere. And this is critical, practice it. Make it a reflex, so in that moment of high stress, it's just second nature to ask.
Now that distress code is your core defense. It's your last line, but we can, and we really should, build some more layers around it. Let's create a full-on digital fortress for your family. The goal here is just to make yourself a harder target. So, beyond the code, start using these layers. If you get a suspicious message, verify it out of band. That just means hang up and call them back on a number you know is theirs. Then dig into your app settings. Restrict calls from unknown numbers. Hide your last seen status. Every little step adds another lock on the door. And this is so important. This isn't just a strategy for you. It's for the whole family. Your security is only as strong as your most vulnerable member. So please sit down with everyone, your parents, your grandparents, your kids, and walk them through this. Make sure everyone is on the same page.
The tools we've covered today will make you so much safer. But let's be real. This technology is evolving at an unbelievable speed. We're in a constant cat-and-mouse game with these scammers. So the real defense, the long-term defense, isn't just one trick. It's a mindset. It's about having a healthy skepticism and staying educated. By staying vigilant and prepared, we can make sure this amazing technology serves us, not the people trying to harm us.